Types of vulnerabilities in cybersecurity. Cybersecurity isn't just about strong passwords or firewalls. Threats are everywhere, and understanding the types of vulnerabilities is key to staying protected. Welcome back to Ore Technologies. Today we are diving into the world of cybersecurity vulnerabilities, what they are, and the most common types you should know about. What are vulnerabilities? First, what exactly is a vulnerability? In simple terms, a vulnerability is a flaw or weakness in a system, software, or network that can be exploited by attackers. These weaknesses can lead to data breaches, unauthorized access, or complete system takeovers. Software vulnerabilities. These are flaws in operating systems or applications. Common examples include outdated software, unpatched bugs, or zero-day vulnerabilities. Issues that developers are unaware of until attackers exploit them. Network vulnerabilities. Next up, these occur in communication system. Think open ports, weak Wi-Fi encryption, or misconfigured firewalls. Attackers often exploit these to eavesdrop on sensitive information or launch denial of service (DOS) attacks. Human vulnerabilities. Even the best tech cannot stop human vulnerabilities. Social engineering attacks like phishing and baiting rely on human error. For example, clicking on a malicious link or sharing sensitive information with someone pretending to be a trusted contact. Physical vulnerabilities. Did you know physical vulnerabilities are just as dangerous? Unattended devices, unsecured servers, or even stolen USB drives can lead to breaches. Always secure your physical environment, especially in public spaces. Configuration vulnerabilities. Another common issue is misconfigurations. This includes default passwords, improper user permissions, or poorly set up security protocols. Attackers can exploit these gaps to gain unauthorized access or escalate their privileges. Make it a habit to audit your configurations regularly and change those default passwords right away. How to address vulnerabilities? So, how do you address these vulnerabilities? Here is a quick checklist. First, regularly update and patch your systems. Second, use strong encryption and secure network protocols. Third, educate your team about phishing and social engineering. Fourth, lock down physical access to sensitive devices. Fifth, audit configurations and user permissions. Cybersecurity vulnerabilities may seem overwhelming, but awareness is your first line of defense. Know the risks, take proactive steps, and stay vigilant. We can also partner with Ore Technologies to get professional cybersecurity assistance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more cybersecurity insights.